Okay, today we are playing Big Dog Baby. This is the first time I've ever played, so let's see how this goes. We're waiting. I don't care about a stupid free skin. Goodbye. Okay, someone else is gonna join. You know, we can't play with duos. Generally, you need 3 babies, 3 bakers. You know. Finally. Burger place, burger place, burger place. Burger King. Okay. Let's go. Literally, we were about to start. Okay, let's go. My ears are ringing so hard right now. So, wait, why can we only do hard? Whatever. Run away. Just a quick disclaimer, I might die like immediately. So, yeah. So, this is really fun. It's been nice knowing you. It's been a great day today. My ears are still ringing while I'm being baked into a balloon. Yes, I love you so much. Let's go. Oh no, let's not get eaten by a baker. Let's go. Don't get eaten by a baker again. Let's go. Okay, you're not coming. Let's go. How? I died, she saved me, and I died again. How? Oh, I just want to cry. I hate you, Baker. Wow, I'm just gonna die by being baked into oblivion. How did she die? Ooh, I'm a bigger now. Let's get that. I clicked on. I don't. That's my baby. Get away from my. I hate bakers so much. Alright, let's try again. Just run away. Let's jump it and run away. Yay! Run away. I'm just clicking random button. Okay. Oh yeah, we're live. What'd I do? Whatever I did, I have to do it again. This is the longest I've stayed alive and not being baked. Let's go. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. Okay. Oh, car. Do I not know how to swim? I know how to swim. Is the thing poisonous or something? Let's get that baby. Wait. Oh, I hate when they go through that. That thing is so annoying because they can't kill them or beat them or whatever. Ooh, look at the baby. Wait. That's not supposed to happen. I just got juked off by a baby. And oh my god. I'm really the loser of this game. If you are the worst player to play this game, call me, and then I'll come up, and then I'll be like, I'm ready to lose, and then we lose. I just closed it on myself. I'm alive. No. Run away. Don't get baked. Please don't get baked. This is just what goes through my head. We're okay. Close that. I think we're okay. Alright, we're gonna win this game. We're gonna win this. 5 bucks to win. Anyone wanna go with me? Yeah, we won. Oh, so we better 100. Okay. I I've never won before. I'm so happy. I'm better myself. I'm happy. I'm better myself. Woo! Ooh, that was fun. Well, that's where I end this. I started just so I could win, and I won. So, bye.